Hi, hope you are really super duper 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 well today. Today we are going to play a game called Guess That Number. Are you ready? So you can see here I have a statement on the whiteboard or on the screen, and you are going to try and guess what number, or we're going to work out what number I have in my head. Okay, so we're going to use the facts that are here. We're going to read through them together, and then we're going to write down a few numbers which could be my number, and let's find out if you are able to guess my number before I say it. Okay, here we go. Let's read out this statement and see if you can work out what my number is. Okay, so the number that I have in my head is greater, so it's greater than 35. So let's pop 35 here. It's greater than 35, so it's higher than 35, okay? But it is also less than 40. So it's less than number 40 here, okay? It has 7 as one of its digits. So it has a 7 as one of its digits as well. What is my number? Let's read that one more time. So it's greater than 35. So we know that the number is higher or more than 35, but it's less than 40. And it has 7 as one of its digits. Now, there's not a massive gap between 35 and 40. So let's write out some of the numbers which it could be. So let's start at 35 and go all the way to 40. Here we go. So we've got 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, and 40. But don't forget, I said it has 7 as one of its digits. So it has to be one of these numbers that have a 7 in it. Can you see what my number is? Have you guessed it? Shout it out. Have you guessed it? My number is 37 because it was greater or more than 35, but it was less than 40, and it had to also have a 7 as one of its digits. So my number was 37. Did you guess my number before I told you? Really well done. Shall we do another one? Here we go. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Okay, so this one's a little bit longer, but we're going to do the same thing. We are going to read out the statement, and I'm going to ask you to try and guess that number before I tell you what the number is. Okay, are you ready? Here we go. So it has 5 as one of its digits. So this number has a 5 in it. Okay. It is a 2-digit number. So it has 2 numbers in it. Okay, it's got 2 digits in this number. Okay, let's put 2 spaces. Okay. The 5 belongs in the tens column. So if we had tens and ones, and we did a little bit of a grid like this, the 5 belongs in the tens column. Let's put our 5 in that tens column, okay? Its other digit is less than 1. What digit or what number could we put in the ones column that's less than 1? It's got to be, have you guessed it? Say it before I write it. Quick, it's got to be a 0. What is my number? What's the number that I was thinking of? I was thinking of 50. Fantastic. Because it has 5 as one of its digits, which is here. It's a 2-digit number, so we put 2 spaces. We drew 2 spaces, didn't we? The 5 belongs in the tens column, which we drew our 5 in the tens column like so. Its other digit is less than 1. I tried to trick you there. So its other digit was actually a 0, because a 0 is less than 1. And then I asked you what number it was. Absolutely fantastic. So try this game if you have any brothers or sisters at home, mom, dad, auntie, uncle, whoever you have at home, and try and get them to guess your number. Remember to have some statements, some number statements or some sentences ready, and have a number in your head that you're thinking of. See if they can guess or work out your number by giving them some facts. Enjoy playing that game. You did really well. Thanks for playing. Bye.